Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to restore contacts here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Restoring contacts in Salesforce can involve different methods depending on how the contacts were deleted or modified. Okay, so for example, in your contact section, you have deleted a specific lead. All right, let me click all my contacts. This one right here, you deleted that for some reason, or by accident or by intention, right? You deleted that, and for you to be able to restore that, it's relatively easy because all I have to do is hover to the app launcher and type in recycle bin. Okay, and from there, these are some of the contacts that you can restore. All right, you would find the deleted contacts here. And you can use the search bar again to filter if you wanted, or scroll through the list to find the contacts you wish to restore, right? All I'm gonna do is select that. And there's an option that says restore, okay? After that, confirm the restoration when prompted. You see? It's a very easy thing to do. Now, if you regularly back up your Salesforce data, check your backups for the contacts you want to restore. Okay? You can use then the data loader or data import wizard to import those records. And if you are having problems restoring any contacts here, for example, you have the records, the deleted records, but you can't, for some reason, have the option to restore, I want you to hover to the Salesforce help. In this case, we will be needing some insights and technical assistance from the Salesforce support. Wait for it. It will direct you to the Create a Case support page. And from here, click the Create a Case. Type in the subject or the issue and type a case description. You can also put in a screenshot of the problem. Say, for example, you are trying to restore contacts on the recycle bin, but it's not being successful. After that, click the Create a Case button, and one of the technical support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.